No, not a lot. Probably, over the course of maybe 10 years, I've maybe gone to a few classes because, I was forced into it by the missus. But I didn't really enjoy it. Yeah. No, not at all. And I sort of, what I like too is that it was optional as well. That I could do as little or as much as I wanted to. Yeah. I think what I actually learned a bit was, I think what you guys are doing is a bit more like true yoga, where you've got the physical side of it, but also the meditative side of it as well. I also learnt my hips are very tight, so I need to probably do some work there. I just think getting away from that day to day, and just, as you can see, I'm quite relaxed here at the moment. Spending time with my wife has been good as well, so it's been really good. The food, the people, everything. You've done a good job. I don't know, we were chatting last night, and as I said, I really like the way you and Matt sort of riff off one another, you really complement one another. So yeah, that's really fun, and that sort of really comes through in what you guys do, so it's good.